Hey everybody, might as well get another extra video out since YouTube is taking a while to, get my videos out. Anyways, let's go. Let's go. And let's see. CEO, salary $1.5. Of course I'll be poor. Relationship, complicated, and location jail. Oh, so I'm like picking up pieces of metal and selling them to my fellow prison mates because my relationship was with another CEO or my accountant, and my wife found me cheating. Wait a minute, this is probably. Remember, kids, do not do anything that I just said.